In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your total balance in Amazon Pay. We'll guide you through each step so that you can smoothly navigate your account and find the information you need. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. This is your starting point where you'll log into your account. Once you're on the home page, you should notice the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on it. Now you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you input the correct email associated with your Amazon account. After typing it in, click continue. Next, it's time to enter your password. Again, take care to input the correct password to avoid any login issues. Once done, simply click the sign in button to access your account. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Amazon homepage. If Amazon Pay is available in your country, you might observe a dedicated option for it on the top menu. However, if you don't see it right away, don't worry, there's another way to access it. Just go to the Account and Lists drop-down menu at the top right of the page. In the Account and Lists section, scroll down a bit until you find Other Programs. This is where you can access various additional services offered by Amazon. In this section, you'll see Amazon Pay. Click on it to proceed. If you're already registered with Amazon Pay, your account details will now come into view, including your current balance. You may observe your Amazon Pay balance in conjunction with any Amazon Pay later balances you might have. Both these balances are displayed clearly so you can keep track of what's available to you. If you're looking for more detailed information, such as your transaction history, there's an easy way to find that too. Simply go over to your orders on the Amazon homepage. Under your orders, you'll find an option specifically for Amazon Pay, which allows you to view your transaction activity. This is particularly helpful if you want to see a detailed history of all your past transactions through Amazon Pay. By reviewing your transaction activity, you can stay informed about where and how you've been using your balance. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to access and check your total Amazon Pay balance. Keeping an eye on your balance is a great way to manage your spending and plan future purchases. Remember to periodically check this information, especially if you're frequently using Amazon Pay for your online shopping needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.